Okay, cool. Now, we can click anywhere in the pivot table, and on the Analyze tab, under the pivot tables, on the right-hand side, you see a pivot chart. You can click in pivot chart, and it'll chart the pivot for you, whatever you have up there, okay? So if I want to go under column styles, and let's say if I want to go 3D clustered columns, and click OK, here it puts a little chart for me. Now, one of the cool things about chart is you can actually dynamically choose items from the chart. For example, you can say, I only want to see from the category fruits, and click OK. And now you only have the fruits data. See, your charts data is changed, and your actual data also changed. You're only seeing the fruits produced by each country. You're not seeing any vegetables or anything like that. You can go back to the category and you can say, okay, I want to see all again. Okay, now everything is back. If you say, I want to only see banana right from the product, okay, so you can basically say, I want to only see banana. And you can only see banana for each country. So this is how you can play around and select all. And here you go. I want to change the charting style. I could also do that by simply going to the Design tab and clicking on Change Chart Type. And I can just change it to whatever type I want, you know, and click OK, and I'll just change the chart type.